Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the currency in Pocket Option. So right now what we're going to do is we go right here to our chart, and I'm using right now a demo account, and on a demo account it's not possible to change the currency. But if you want to change the currency on a real account, we go right here to the real account, and now we select right here the real account, and then you see this US dollar icon. Now we select this, and now we can change it right here. So the current USD is US dollar, and we want to change this, for example, to euros. Then we do confirm, and now he's changing the currency right here. So if we select right now here the real account, you see that it's standing on euros. So right now we change it back. So we do right here euro to US dollar, confirm, and this is how you can change the currency on Pocket Option. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.